Tom the cat and Jerry who loved to play. Tom was gray with whiskers so long. Jerry was small but oh so strong. Tom would tiptoe soft on the floor, hoping to catch Jerry and maybe even more. But Jerry was clever, quick and sly. He'd zip through the kitchen in the blink of an eye. One sunny morning Tom made a plan. I'll catch that mouse, yes I surely can. He hid behind curtains, quiet as a mouse, waiting to spring in the big old house. Jerry peeked out, saw Tom's big tail, and chuckled aloud. I will not fail. He grabbed some cheese and danced around. Tom jumped and fell, bumping the ground. Then came the chase, up the stairs they ran. Tom slipping, sliding, oh what a jam. Jerry swung on a rope, landed on a chair. Tom tumbled down, up in the air. They zoomed through the garden, splashed in a pond. The neighbors watched, of this they were fond. Tom's hat flew off, landed in the mud. Jerry squeaked with laughter, you're stuck in the crud. But soon the sun began to set low. Tom sighed, tomorrow I'll catch him though. Jerry yawned, what a day full of fun. But now